In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Canva design into your Shopify store. This process is perfect if you want to showcase your creative designs directly on your online store, giving it a fresh look and making it more engaging for visitors. First things first, you'll need to open up Canva, have your design prepared, and make sure it's ready for sharing. Preparing your design might involve finalizing all the elements and ensuring everything looks just the way you want. Once you're satisfied, the next step is to click on the Share button. This feature allows you to take your work from Canva and distribute it across different platforms. After you click Share, look for the More option. Selecting More will provide you with a variety of sharing options. From this list, choose Embed. This is a crucial step because embedding will allow your design to smoothly integrate into your Shopify store. When you select Embed, there'll be an option to copy the embed code. Click Copy to ensure you have the code ready to use for the next part of the process. Now, let's shift our focus to your Shopify store. Sign in and navigate to the Online Store section on your dashboard. This section is where you'll customize your store's appearance and functionality. As you scroll down, you'll see the Customize option. Click on that to open the Theme Editor, which is a customizable interface to make adjustments to how your online store looks and feels. Within the Theme Editor, locate the Add Section button. Clicking this will allow you to insert new elements into your store's layout. From the list of options that appear, select Custom Liquid. This option is specifically designed to handle custom code snippets like the one we're working with today. Once you click it, the section will be added to the left side of your screen. At this point, locate the section you've just added and click it to open the settings. This is where you'll paste the embed code that you copied from Canva earlier. Make sure you paste it correctly and that nothing from the code is altered or missing. Accuracy is key here to ensure that your design functions perfectly on your site. With these steps completed, you'll now have your Canva design embedded in your Shopify store. This integration should enhance the visual appeal of your store, making it not only more attractive, but also providing a personalized touch that can set your site apart. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to bringing your Canva design into your Shopify environment effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy the new look that your creative work brings to your online store.